At EnerPlex, we've shifted our manufacturing to keep up with our customers' everyday needs. Our fabric face mask's 3-layer design consists of a soft, moisture-wicking inner layer, a filtering middle layer, and a water-resistant outer layer. The masks are machine or hand washable and simple to care for. Providing a barrier against germs, pollen, dust, and other particles from the outside, our design allows for unrestricted breathing. Plus, reusable fabric prevents waste caused by throwaway masks. Stretch ear loops allow for a snug fit. Refer to our size chart to find the ideal mask for you. EnerPlex fabric face masks are engineered to protect you from the surrounding elements while providing maximum comfort for everyday wear. For everyone from essential workers to those needing to run errands or attend appointments, our face masks make it easy to follow regulations and keep yourself safe. All EnerPlex products are crafted with the highest quality materials and designed with you in mind.
This mask is large and it can wrap around your face, which makes you safer when meeting other people. One of the reasons why I recommend this is because it has a super elastic and widened ear loops, which brings you a more comfortable wearing experience. It also has an adjustable nose clip attaching the mask closer to your face to offer more protection. This 3D design creates more space, which means you can breathe more easily, and the mask is waterproof. It is made of 5 layers of different fabric, and the filter efficiency is more than 95%, bringing you a safer environment. You can wear the mask to exercise at the gym, make you breathe more smoothly. You can wear it at a public transit. It will keep other passengers' germs away. We always have to go shopping. The supermarket is crowded, so you need this face mask to protect you at all times.